Welcome to a channel where knowledge sparks wonder, and each discovery unlocks a gateway to new horizons. Imagine a world where strength, flexibility, and resilience unite in perfect harmony. That world exists inside our very own bodies, in the form of our bones. Let's take a closer look at some fascinating facts about the bones that make up our body. At birth, you had 270 bones, but as you grow, some fuse together, leaving you with 206 bones in adulthood. It's amazing how your body continuously reshapes itself. Our bones are not just part of our skeleton. They are a testament to the body's incredible engineering, making us capable of extraordinary feats. One fascinating fact about bones is their role in mineral storage. They hold about 99% of the body's calcium, making them crucial not only for structure but also for maintaining bone density and overall health. It also contains calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, zinc, and many more. Our bones are incredibly strong, stronger than steel by weight. The femur, also known as the thigh bone, is the longest and strongest bone in the human body. It can endure up to 2,500 pounds of pressure before breaking. That's equivalent to bearing the weight of a small car. The stapes, the smallest bone in your body, is found in the middle ear. Despite being no larger than a tiny grain of rice, it plays a crucial role in allowing you to hear the world around you. The hyoid bone is unique as it's the only bone in the body that doesn't directly connect to another bone. It serves as a support for the tongue and plays a crucial role in speech and swallowing. It is situated at the base of the tongue, between the lower jaw, mandible, and the voice box, larynx. Although our bones appear solid and unmovable, they're actually living tissue. They're constantly undergoing a process called bone remodeling, where old bone is broken down and replaced with new bone. In fact, about 10% of our skeleton is renewed each year, helping to keep it strong and healthy. Every 7 to 10 years, your entire skeleton is replaced through bone remodeling. Bones have an extensive blood supply, making up about 10 to 15% of the body's total blood circulation. This blood flow is crucial for maintaining bone health, as it delivers oxygen, nutrients, and hormones needed for growth, repair, and remodeling. Bone marrow is a soft, spongy tissue found inside bones, produces red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Bone marrow can be donated to help treat certain cancers and blood disorders. Human bones are dynamic structures that protect organs, produce blood cells, and support movement. Their strength and healing abilities are truly fascinating. Take care of your bones with good nutrition and exercise. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more facts. See you next time.